My name is Jonas Birmi and I'm the VP R&D of Eyevinn Technology. And Eyevinn Technology, we are helping our customers in the media and entertainment sectors to be more profitable by improving their technical solutions. Using open source in your solution, it is a barrier. It takes more time to invest to just try things out than a SaaS solution available online. So what we want to do with open source cloud is that we want to reduce this barrier and make it easier to get started with open source. And at the same time, we want to contribute back to the open source creator by giving them a share of the revenue that we are. Everything that we have in open source cloud is open. It's fully transparent, you know what code you're running, you know where it is. You can actually contribute and do fixes to it if you want to as well. You are also never locked in. If you decide to leave, you can do that. You can put the code into your own environment and run it there. But it gives you the way to immediately be able to try it out and can accelerate your development and fit it into your solution from the start. So I think that's where the place fits. And for the creator, it gives the possibility to make their source code available easier as a service. They don't have to build their own SaaS platform for providing that service with all the billing, the user management and all things around that. That is taken care of by open source cloud. We chose Akamai Connected Cloud for our solution because we had some fundamental requirements in the architecture that we thought of that was important. Cost and price point, that was one factor, of course. The second factor was the ability to scale and globally. I mean, this is a platform we want to have global reach, we want it to be really big. So we needed to have a partner that could provide that, a global presence basically. And we decided to build the architecture from the start to be cloud agnostic and based on open tools, open source tools. So we used Kubernetes as the orchestrator, and Akamai provided their managed Kubernetes service, which we used, and it worked very well. It was very easy to deploy on Akamai. It was basically just logging in and clicking around in the interface, and then we had a Kubernetes control plane up and running. I think that the thought leadership within security and data integrity is really important for us, because I think when you build a service today, you really need to think from the start on these aspects. And I think that partnering with Akamai on that, knowing that they are experts in this field, we felt quite comfortable that we could get the help and assistance that we would need in this area. We see that we will evolve together with Akamai in the sense that we will grow with more services, components, and that will lead that we will be able to solve more use cases in the media and entertainment industry, but perhaps also other industries. For us, what we feel was good with Akamai as a choice is that you focus on the infrastructure part, the compute part, the networking part, and all these things that we need. We don't need any other features or bells and whistles and as I said, we designed our platform to be cloud agnostic. So what we need is this fundamental part that a cloud provider provides. And I think Akamai focuses in that area and then partnering with others to support new other functionalities. So for us, that was one of the reasons we went with Akamai.